Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bisola. In case you're seeing my face for the very first time, you're welcome. And today I'm touring an apartment in Lagos, Nigeria, which consists of two baths and one bedroom in Lagos. Please stay tuned to the end of this video to know the actual amount of this apartment. This is the entrance to the apartment. The first thing you are seeing here is the living room, and that's the entrance door from the outside. We have the kitchen door, we have the bedroom door, then we have the bathroom door at the corner. So beside it, it has a small window that leads to the balcony and another door that leads to the balcony. This is the whole living room. It has the space there is not much. It's just a very small apartment, one bedroom and one living room, then two baths. For me, I think it's okay. Let me just give you guys the whole view of this apartment so you understand when I say it is small. It is so small. And one thing I don't like about this apartment is the door, is the entrance door and the balcony door. The door is not what I like, so I'm thinking of what to do about this door. But I love that it has like three windows inside this living room. It has one at the side and it has another one at another side, then another one that gives a lot of hair. So that is it about it. And this is the guest bathroom. It's so small, but it's going to serve its purpose. And I love the tiles. The only thing in the hair is that the ceiling is not POP. And let's proceed to the bedroom, guys. This bedroom is quite big. For me, it's quite big. It's okay. The bedroom is still okay. It comes with one window, and the ceiling as well is not POP. So the only POP in this house is the living room. Is the living room, and it's still okay. We can still work things out here, and I love it. It's so spacious. And let's go to the bathroom for you to see. I love one of my favorite thing about this apartment is this bathroom. Ta-da! This is what the bathroom looks like. It's going to serve its purpose as well. I love the towels. I love the floor towels. I love it. I love this place. So the shower, the shower is just showering. It has this small tap in here. It has the water here is clean as well. And let's proceed to the kitchen area. So this kitchen, I'm pretty sure that the person that left this apartment was the one that did the slab on here. Is the one, because I know for sure that there is nothing here before. The person just asked to do the slab in case if the person wanted to cook. And this is how it looks like. The water here, it's so clean and you don't have to worry about it. And it comes with this faucet, which I'm thinking of changing as well. I don't know yet, but I'm thinking of changing it. So this is how the apartment looks like. Guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoy watching it, if you like the apartments, please let me know. And if the apartment's worth the price or it is lesser, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you want more of this type of content, please let me know as well so I can post more of it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.